Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2013 Ram 2500. This Ram is featured in the SLT trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as our 17-inch steel rims, our tow haul mode setting, heavy-duty engine cooling, heavy-duty shocks, as well as a Hemi engine. Into the front of the vehicle, we can see we have the chrome door handle. Just below that, we have all of our powered outside mirrors. We have our window controls with one-touch up and down passenger and driver windows. Then we have our door locks. Moving down, we can see we have some additional storage, as well as 2 cup holders in the door frame itself. To the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we see that we have all of our lighting control, including our in-bed lighting. Above it, we have our heating vents. Moving to the center, we have our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. On the left-hand side, we have some hands-free controls, including the controls for our digital information system in the middle. On the right-hand side, we have all of our cruise settings. Moving to the center, we have our media system as with our radio. On the left-hand side, we can see our key. Moving across, we have our drivetrain select with our 2-wheel drive, our forward lock, as well as our 4 low, and a neutral button below. In the center, we have our front climate control. Moving to the bottom, we have some additional controls, including our ABS, our tow haul mode, our tire light load inflation, and then some extra storage. Moving down, we can see that we have some storage in front of our center console. Our center console features 2 cup holders and has an open up storage in the middle. Inside of here, we can see that we have a USB, an auxiliary, as well as our 12-volt flip-up plug. This also does function as a third front seat, which we can just flip up. That locks into place. Here we can see our passenger seating in our silver gray cloth. Lastly, moving above our rear view mirror, we have our power rear sliding window controls as well as our light controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tire, we can see our 17-inch steel rim with our Dodge center cap. Moving up, we have a black paint match side mirror, as well as a black paint match front door handle and rear door handle. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have all of our trailer hitch, as well as our trailer connections. On the back of the vehicle itself, we have our Ram logo, our SLT logo, and a 4x4 logo. Opening up into the bed of the truck, we can see that we have tie-downs near the front and tie-downs in the back, as well as plenty of storage in our crew cab. Now into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a chrome door handle, our window control, as well as some extra storage in the bottom of the door. Moving inside the vehicle, in the seat in front of us, we can see that we have our magazine holder. Moving to the center, we have our 2 vents. And on the floor, we have our cup holders. Moving across on the passenger side, we also have our magazine holder. We can see the seats in the back are featured in our gray cloth as well. We do have 3 seats in our back. And then lastly, we have our power sliding window. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2013 Ram 2500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.